good girl.
The whistle is basically a bridge. It means that Lun did the behavior that Heather asks for and she knows she's going to get a reward. All these behaviors are for husbandry reasons. We can get a good look at, like, we can give her a voluntary injection like that.
I just feel clown nine. I'm like, okay, so these are all for husbandry reasons. Do you mind?
Good girl. Question, Heather. How do they track these guys out in the wild? How do they track